Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to report your Motorola Edge 70 in lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, first we need to type the IMEI number of our lost or stolen Motorola. Normally you check your IMEI number using this method, but you know, our device is lost and we are not able to do it. But to find your IMEI number, you can find your phone packaging, and the IMEI number is usually written on the edge. So that's the place where you can find it. If you have found it, type it right in here and click on check. As you can see, our Edge 70 appeared. Now we need to scroll down until you find the basic checks, and now click on lost device add. You can see that the IMEI has been automatically copied. You can also type the second IMEI and also the serial number. It is not necessary, but it's worth doing. Now we need to type the city where we lost the device. Now type your mail. It will be necessary later. Now the phone number with the country code. Now the price of the reward in US dollars, if someone will find it, let's say 60. Next thing, the country where you lost it, and now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. I will type something really short just for this video, because I didn't lost anything. I'm just showing you how to do it. But remember that if your device gets lost or stolen, in the description you should give as many information as it's possible, simply. Okay, maybe something like that. Now the contact name and the incident date. First type year, then month, and then the day. Agree to those terms and click on report lost/stolen email. Okay, now we need to verify on our mail. Okay, click on verify your request, and now our device has been successfully added into lost database. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.